Hello students, welcome back to the new session of science lesson number 7, weather, climate and adaptations of animals. So previous video I had explained about the polar region and the animals adapted to live in the polar regions, what are their characteristics, how they are adapted to that severe conditions, etc. So today we will continue with our lesson or our chapter, that is tropical rainforest. First of all, you will get an idea about tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest has generally a hot climate because of its location around the equator. These tropical rainforests are generally seen near the equator. So the climate is hot and also humid. The tropical rainforest is located around the equator. It has hot and humid climate. This region gets plenty of rainfall also. Days and nights are almost equal in length throughout the year. Due to continuous warmth and rain, this region supports wide variety of plants. Such a condition is suitable for animals to get food and shelter. So tropical rainforest has a large population of animals. Variety of animals we can see in this particular region. So again I will explain the main points of tropical region. Rainforests are the characteristics of tropical region due to hot and humid climate. The climatic conditions in tropical rainforests are highly suitable for supporting wide varieties of plants and animals. Tropical rainforests are found in Western Ghats and Assam in India. Since the number of animals are large, there is intense competition for food and shelter in tropical rainforest. Many tropical animals have sensitive hearing, sharp eyesight, thick skin, and a skin color which helps them to camouflage by blending with its surroundings. Example, red-eyed frog, toucan bird, elephant, etc. are adapted to the conditions of rainforest. So you will get an idea about the tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest has generally a hot climate because of its location around the equator. Even the coldest month, the temperature is generally higher than about 15 degrees Celsius, and during the hot summer months, the temperature may cross more than 40 degrees Celsius. Here the days and nights are almost equal in length throughout the year. These regions get plenty of rainfall. An important feature of this region is the tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforests are found in Western Ghats and Assam in India, Southeast Asia, Central America and Central Africa. These all particular places we can see the tropical rainforest. Because of continuous warmth and rain, this region supports wide variety of plants and animals. You can see on the picture also a red-eyed frog, a monkey, etc. So the major types of animals living in the rainforest are monkeys, apes, gorillas, tigers, elephants, leopards, lizards, snakes, birds, insects. So many animals, mammals as well as other vertebrates and also invertebrates we can see in the tropical rainforest, from very small animals to very huge animals like elephants. Now, the climatic conditions in rainforest are highly suitable for supporting an enormous number and a variety of animals. Because of these climatic conditions, it is hot also, as well as humid also, and enough forests are there, so a enormous number of variety of animals also, they will get a good habitat for their survival. Since the number are large, there is intense competition for food and shelter. The number of animals are more, so the competition is also more for their food and shelter. Many animals are adapted to live on the trees because of no habitat. So many are adapted to live on the trees because rainforest enough trees are there. Example, red-eyed frog. Generally the frogs are living on the soil. But here a red-eyed frog which are adapted to live on the tree branches, its feet is to help to climb on trees on which it lives. So it is a typical type of frog which is called red-eyed frog seen on the tree branches to help them live on the trees because they are having a padded feet which helps them to climb on the branches and live on the trees. Then monkeys having long tail for grasping branches. You can see monkeys will be jump from one branch to another branch. First they will hold the tail on the branches and they will jump. So they will not fall. Their hands and feet are such that they can easily hold on to the branches. So they have long hands and long feet, so they can hold on the other branch and they can jump easily. Moreover, the tail is also long, which hold them the branches. As there is a competition for food, some animals are adapted to get food not easily reachable. A striking example is that of the bird toucan. So one particular bird which is called toucan, which possesses a long, large beak. This helps a toucan to reach the fruits on branches which are otherwise too weak to support its weight. So this bird, it cannot fly very high, so it has a long beak so that most of the branches, the fruits, it can catch it. Many tropical animals have sensitive hearing, sharp eyesight, thick skin, and a skin color which helps them to camouflage by blending with the surroundings. So these are all characteristics of these particular uh, animals which are adapted to live in tropical rainforest. This is to protect them from predators. Predators means those who are catching the prey. For example, big cats, that is, we will call it as lions and tigers, have thick skins and sensitive hearing. So these are some of the adaptations of the animals living in tropical rainforest. So these climatic conditions are very suitable for enormous number of animals, from very small insects to very huge animals like elephants live in the tropical rainforest. So there is a competition for food and shelter. So many animals are adapted to live even on tree branches. For example, a red-eyed frog which has adapted to live on the trees, it has sticky pads on its feet to help them to climb on the trees and live on the trees. Monkeys have long tail which help them to grasp on the branches. Moreover, they have long hands and feet are such a way that they can easily hold on to the branches. And there is one particular bird which is called toucan, which has a long beak, a long, large beak which can uh, reach its beak to the fruits on the branches which are otherwise too weak to support its weight. Then a bird is very big one. So if it will climb on that branch, it will fall because of its weight. So by standing down, it with the long beak, it can catch the fruits on the branches. Many of the tropical animals have sensitive hearing, sharp eyesight, thick skin, and a skin color which helps them to camouflage by blending with the surroundings. So it will be adjusted with the surroundings. So this is to protect them from the predators or the enemies. For example, big cats, that is tigers and lions, have thick skins and sensitive hearing. Students, today I am going to stop the class. Remaining part of the chapter I will explain in the next video. So go through the chapter and try to understand all the points. We will meet again tomorrow. Till then, goodbye.